Hey guys, I wanted to show this recent update that KDP has done to its portal. And this is to notify them or let them know if the content that you are using was generated using AI. And so in your video, you will see you've uploaded your book and you've uploaded everything, but now they've stuck in this piece AI generated content. And so you're going to have to let them know whether it is or it isn't. If it is an AI generated content, then you'll know that on your template. We will inform you of that. So if you are viewing this video, it's because you have AI generated content. And so you would choose the yes. And so now it's going to ask you, what is it? Is it a text? Then you can, click some sections. Um, with minimal or no editing, extensive editing, entire work with minimal or entire work with extensive editing. And we will show you on the template which one to choose. And the same goes for images, one or few images with minimal or editing, with extensive editing, many images or many generated images. And then of course, translations, there won't be any here. So you can just click no unless you do some translating there. But let's see what happens when we click on text. So if I say some sections with minimal or no editing, that means that I just used what ChatGPT or whoever gave me, right? So I'm going to click on that. And then it's going to ask which tools did you use to create the work. And the same goes for images, which tools did you use to create the work? And it doesn't matter which choice you use, it's going to ask you the same question. All of the answers to this will be provided to you in your template. Let me know what questions you have.